Today's discussion is on citrus canker disease. The disease was firstly obtained in Japan and it is one of the very common disease. It occurs everywhere in the world because citrus is grown in every country. It is a worldwide disease because it is also known as cosmopolitan because it occurs throughout the world. The disease stated that to have originated from South China, Indonesia, and India. In India, it is one of the most destructive disease. All the species of citrus that get affected by this pathogenic bacterium, it is a bacterial disease and heavy losses of the citrus caused. The losses are caused by reduced fruit quality and quantity. What happens? The premature fruits fell off on the ground. The fruits remains green and they do not mature. It has observed that it has reported from different parts of the country that 80 to 90% loss of the fruit occurs. It is regarded as the disease of international importance because it is one of the very important fruit. Next slide. Symptoms. What type of symptoms are caused by the bacterial pathogen which is named as Xanthomonas citri? This is the name of the pathogen. The symptom which occurs by the bacterium. This pathogen, it is an obligate parasite. All the parts of the plant get affected, get infected except root system. Only root system do not show any symptoms of the bacteria, but aerial part of the plant get infected. The twigs, the stem, leaves, fruits, all the parts of the plant, they are susceptible and they are infected by the pathogenic bacterium. And heavy infection occurs on leaves, young twigs, branches and fruits. The infected leaf may have initially what happens, a very small watery spot is developed. Initially it is dark green in color, mostly developed on lower surface of the leaf and these spots are 1 to 2 mm in diameter, and on young leaves in the beginning the spots appear, but gradually these spots increases in size. Initially they are not visible, but gradually they increase and they becomes visible. After few weeks, what happens? The spots becomes mature and it is a corky spot and it is dark brown in color, which is easily seen with naked eyes. The mature lesions, practically they are slightly raised corky spots, and the lesions enlarge gradually, which shows brown depressions in the central region. And at full maturity, this lesion means it is a spot. Lesion means spot. The spots turns grayish white and spot becomes hard and they appear cork-like. The mature lesions is a dead tissue with a rough surface surrounded by brown to dark brown raised margin. The lesions or spots surrounded by a yellow hollows. More or less similar lesions develop on the twigs of the plant, on the stems as well as on fruits. The lesion size varies from size of the spot is variable. It range from 1 to 9 mm in diameter on the leaves and up to 1 centimeter in diameter on twigs and fruits. The lesion, that means the spots, enlarges gradually and many lesions coalesce, that means get mixed to form a large patches of necrotic tissue, necrotic patch on the leaves and other affected part of the plant. There is no effect, this is a very important feature, there is no effect of the infection on fruit juice. The infection is only skin deep, it is a very important characteristics that do not affect the fungus, the bacterium do not enters the juice of infected fruit, that remains only up to the skin. Okay, next slide. Causal organism, which pathogen causes this disease? Citrus canker disease, it is caused by a bacterial pathogen. The name of the bacterium is Xanthomonas citri. It is a straight rod shaped bacterium. It is gram-negative bacterium. Its size is 1.5 to 2.0 into 0.5 to 0.75 μm in size with a single polar flagellum. It has a single polar flagella which is attached to one side, and it occurs in chain, or it is non-spore forming. It do not form spores during its life cycle. It is an aerobic bacterium, that means it requires oxygen for survival, and the oxidase test is negative, and catalase test is positive. Milk color changes to blue. These are the different tests done for the identification of Xanthomonas citri, and this is a motile bacterium which is rod shaped. It is an obligate parasite. That means what? What is obligate parasite? Obligate parasites requires only living host plants for their survival. They survive only on living host plant. It does not multiply on dead organic matter. It does not survive in soil or dead organic matter or plant debris. It can survive for 2 to 3 months on infected plant debris under dry conditions, but it requires living host plant for its multiplication. It is an obligate parasite, therefore it is obligate parasite. There are many weed plants on which the bacterium occurs. There are many weed hosts. Weeds mean the non-required plants which are grown in the field, which we have not sown, but they are there. That are called weed plants, and there are many weeds which are the hosts of Xanthomonas citri that acts as a inoculum potential for the disease development on the citrus plant. The pathogen enters the host through stomata, and it also enters the host tissue through natural openings, that is, natural opening means stomata, lenticels, hydatodes, etc., which are naturally present on the plant. Through that pores, the pathogen enters into the host. The bacterium multiply into the intercellular spaces. What is intercellular spaces? The space which is present between the host cells. After entry into the host cell, between the host cells, this multiply by absorbing food material from the host tissue. That secrete enzyme which dissolve middle lamella and spread into the cortex region. As a result, a cancerous growth occurs on the affected plant part. Next slide. What is inoculum? Inoculum is the smallest quantity of the pathogen which is enough to cause the disease. That is called inoculum. The pathogen Xanthomonas citri, it is transferred from one season to another chiefly through infected leaves, twigs, and fruits of living host plant. It enters the host through stomata or wound. Several cycles of infection can occur on fruits, and fruits have lesions of different size. High humidity and strong wind favors the spread of the disease. The bacterium multiplies and the cancerous outgrowth develops on the host tissue. The disease disseminated, that is transferred from one place to another by wind, rain, and insect visits. Citrus leaf miners are very important for the dissemination of pathogen for the transfer of the pathogen from field to nursery trees. Okay. The optimum temperature, what type of environment it requires? The optimum temperature for the better growth of the pathogen is 30 degrees Celsius, and free moisture, it requires free moisture of 20 minutes, which is enough for the infection to the leaves. The pathogens survive on infected leaves for up to 6 months in sterilized soil for 52 days and unsterilized soil for 9 to 17 days. These are the reports reported by plant pathologists from different parts of the world. How to manage the disease? At the time of growing citrus plant, use disease-free stocks. This is one of the method. Another method, carefully remove the infected plant material, plant parts and destroy away from the field. Second method, how to control? Again, third method, it has given spraying of trees with copper fungicide before disease occurrence. This is one of the method recommended for the management of citrus canker disease, which is caused by Xanthomonas citrus. Rangaswamy in 1959 recommended spraying of streptomycin. It is antibiotics, and 500 to 1000 ppm antibiotic has been found effective as according to Rangaswamy. Phytomycin is one more chemical, 2500 ppm has been reported against the canker disease. And the best method, we have to use resistant varieties for sowing purpose. What is resistant variety? Resistant variety can restrict the disease. These varieties, they contain phenolic substances inside the body, plant body, and they can restrict the disease. Even after entry of the pathogen into the host, they restrict the growth, further development of the pathogen, and no disease development takes place. Such varieties are called resistant varieties. And next, another method, we can reduce the inoculum potential by pruning of shoots bearing canker lesions and collect all the infected plant parts and burn away from the field. This is one of the one more method for the management of the disease. This is all about citrus canker disease, which is caused by a bacterial pathogen which is known as Xanthomonas citrus. Okay. Thank you. Save trees, save earth.